there was the door was open and in a bed एक चुड़ैल थी. Literally,
There was a witch.
there was a witch and I was so afraid. I was
मम्मी कहाँ चली गई है? इसको डर लग रहा है कि भूत ना आ जाए इसके घर में.
and they listened to me.
They listen to you.
Yes.
Ghost listen to you. So they will be listening.
कोई ना कोई पीछे या फिर आगे कहीं ना कहीं से सुन रहा हो.
Oh my gosh. Do you have any psychological issues like that? Like you are always feeling? It might be the psychological issues sometimes.
No. Sir.
What you might be thinking always about all the negative energies, and you yourself will become the negative energy
No.
by thinking. Because what we think, we
I
become.
want to-
Oh my gosh, lots of you have seen the ghost. I want someday to see it, but what is it, ghost? Oh my goodness. Very nice question, Anushka. Well done. Anushka, I would like you to introduce in front of the class. The voice should be loud and clear so everybody can know you. Who are you?
My name is Anushka Shuman. I'm from class 8 and study in This Is Marian Academy School. My father's name is Sipshankar Astos and my mother's name is Ranju Devi. My father is a doctor and mother is a teacher.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are like singing, dancing and drawing. But since 2 years before, I will stop my drawing. Reason of my, because I will grow up, then stop some hobbies like drawing. I will stop it.
But it is a great hobby. You
Yes.
by drawing you can be a great painter, I think.
I have some insecurities like she was done drawing better than me. She have drawing better than me. I have some insecurities.
Oh, you have insecurities, but you should win over the insecurities. It's not like somebody is better painter than you. You will leave the painting. You will leave your skill and hobby. Do you think
I'm
it is right
thinking-
mindset?
I'm thinking that if he can, if she is good and better than me, then how I can
You can compete. You can become better too because practice
make a
makes
person
perfect, isn't it? Person or practice makes person perfect, or it can make perfect anybody. Even animals sometimes become perfect by practicing, isn't it? If you do not know, then go in circus and look at the animals. They are very perfect to their work. As their master will command,
Train
they
them.
will follow it. Same step. So practice not only makes person
Someone-
perfect, it also makes animals perfect. Right. So that's what. So you should practice now. If you somebody
I
is
have-
making better drawing than you are gonna live it. You are gonna live that hobby. Then it is not good. Right. Somebody is always going to be better than you in this world, isn't it? Somebody is always going to be more prettier than you. If you are beautiful, somebody will be more beautiful than you. If you are intelligent, somebody will be more intelligent than you. If you are tall, somebody will be taller than you. Right? So there is no limitation. So you do not think about others. What are your other hobbies except paintings?
like singing and dancing.
Singing and dancing. Do you sing and dance?
Yes,
Okay, but you have not performed yet at this institute. So.
I have performed in a teacher's day of my singing skills.
Okay, at Jesus Marian Academy?
Yes.
Oh. What do you want to become? Clap up. Clap करना चाहते तो आधा क्या पूरा करो या नहीं करो? Like yeah, that. Yeah, why are you half clapping? Yeah, I was asking the question. What was the question?
What was my aim?
Yeah, what is your aim? Listen to her aim.
I'm interested into know about universe. That's if I want to become, then I want to become an astronomer.
Wow, great hobbies. Very few people have this hobby. She is interested in universe, so you want to explore the whole universe, right? You want to know about the
And
things.
also one thing, if I did not know about universe, then I want to explore and investigate it of about paranormal investigator.
Okay,
Also, I want to
paranormal activities.
yes, I want to also know about negative energies, ghosts, like it's true
Oh,
or
I'm afraid of it now. Yeah.
I'm well know about ghost and negative energies. About
Okay, so do you have any Atma kind of a spirit?
no,
Huh?
spirits are
Or you yourself is a spirit?
in my body have a one spread. Like I tell the word that body can't. The, when someone says he was there or she was there, he was not dying or see, because the body was dead, but the spirit of her body or him body is
Never
alive.
dies.
And the spirit world, if they have not happily death, then he or she become on earth. According to, it's accepted with Einstein, the greatest scientist, was accepted that if positive energies existed in a world, then also negative energies existed in a world. That's when someone say that uh, ghosts are not here, it will be,
You can take
it will
time.
not truth.
Okay.
That will be like one second.
You can speak me in Hindi. I can answer it. I can tell you the English of that.
मतलब सब कहते हैं ना कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं ना कि भूत प्रेत नहीं होते हैं.
People tell that there is no ghost or nothing like that.
हाँ, but it's a true.
It's
Ghosts
true.
are live in a earth. Even ghosts are surrounded by humans, but humans did not feel that and they cannot feel that and know about they surrounded. But I want to explore about them. How my interest was,
Arises.
how my interest is arises of about paranormal investigator. Like before 3 years ago, I'm seeing horror videos and horror stories. I want to know about more and more. Then I want like horror games, horror videos, the fact, the horror, the witches. I know everything about. I have so many ideas of what ghost is, and
You
Which
told
is-
that you even experienced ghosts and all these. spirits.
yes, I have experienced two for 2 times in my like in my nanny's village. They have my house have a gully.
Gully, yeah, a street.
Street not, घर के अंदर गली है.
घर के अंदर गली. What will you say? Stop. You stop. Let her first finish. Yeah.
My mom is told me she was giving a cup of tea and saying that to पहुंचाना को क्या होता है,
Arrive.
arrive mamas, then I will go, but
Take it to the mamas. Okay.
but in the
In this process.
in this
Process on the way.
in the way have a one door and have a one room that like my sisters and siblings say that this room is this room has been haunted, because in this room everyone not, but someone's in my house experienced about ghost. Then I was go on the way. I'm afraid, I'm so afraid. So when I go, I will giving my mama to a cup of tea, and after when I was coming for passing through the street,
Mhm.
there was the door was open and the door was open, and in a bed नीचे एक चुड़ैल थी. Literally,
There was a beach.
there was a witch, and I was so afraid. I will like scream, and
Was it daytime or night time?
it was a night time.
It was night time.
Yes.
So maybe somebody else would be there,
No
but you
one's- no
you would
one's.
have thought they are she's children. मम्मी कहाँ चली गई है? इसको डर लग रहा है कि भूत ना आ जाए इसके घर में.
In my family, like my brothers and sister that say, no one we in our family was a
Tantric charmer, you can say.
no one's. I was like, I'm telling about the ghost and natural paranormal things. Like my didi is and bhaiya taunts me. She was a tantric in our family.
I don't know what you have experienced so far, but I have never experienced something like that. And I have gone through
I have
lots
also
of situations
one-time
where people said
experience.
there were ghosts, but I even went alone to the area where ghost
One
lives?
thing I tell Dad,
I never found it.
that one thing I tell that we think will be going with our we think we will going with our, like we will think that someone's behind me, then really it's behind. And one talk about, if we're talking about ghosts and witches, then surrounding the ghosts and witches were listen to me,
Okay.
then surrounding and they listen to me. No.
Oh, so they listen to you.
Yes.
Ghost listen to you.
if like अब मैं बात कर रही हूँ इसके बारे में, तो
So they will be listening.
कोई ना कोई पीछे या फिर आगे कहीं ना कहीं से सुन रहा होगा.
Oh my gosh.
तो भूत थोड़ी है. It's
Do,
a fact.
do you have any psychological issues like that? Like you are always
No.
feeling? It might be. Hey, listen everyone. It might be the psychological issues sometimes.
No. Sir.
What you might be thinking always about all the negative energy, then you yourself will become the negative energy
No.
by thinking. Because what we think, we become.
I want to explore. I have.
You agree with her?
Well, I'm also, I saw ghost.
He has also faced the ghost.
He's on mission, but I saw.
Oh my gosh, lots of you have seen the ghost. I want someday to see it, but what is it, ghost? Oh my goodness. Okay, I think, yeah, finish it now. Keep it to the short, so I can give chance to the other. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. That's my other aim, to become a paranormal investigator.
Okay,
And-
so paranormal investigators means you will keep clutch on the, hey, you will keep
I mean
clutch
to-
on the spirits, आत्माओं को बांधना,
Not
बांधोगी?
Manna. I want to investigate like haunted places. In India, have so many haunted places.
Oh, so you want to go inside the haunted places, and
If I did
you
not-
want to haunt the haunted atmas,
Okay.
huh?
It's also because I want to know about them. So many things.
Okay, you want to know about them so many things of this topic.
Okay. Next
We will
question.
talk next time. Now I don't have next question because I am already afraid of your answers now. So don't worry you.
My siblings also
So
afraid when I
have a
started
clap
that
for her
topic.
and very nice question, Anushka. Well done. Go and sit. Take your seat. Wow, I'm feeling you guys are performing better than that session when I call you to come in front of the board. You are performing better than that here on the chair. So I think chair is giving you support, isn't it? Huh? It is kind of cozy and comfortable environment where everybody can speak easily, isn't it?